Hey DevStats friends, DevStats has some new features and I'm here to show you. Let's go. So we work a lot in our cycle time report in this past month, and we built what I believe to be the most complete cycle time report in the industry. Just to remind yourself, cycle time is the time to take from when a developer starts working on something to when that thing hits production. So in here we can see that now we add our charts that allow you to see the different sections of your cycle time. For example, we can see the coding time, we can hover and we can see how long and how much of our cycle is actually being spent in coding versus waiting for review or even waiting for deploy. I'm also able to do this by percent to make it very easy for you to decide what you have to optimize. As you can see, it's very clear that this team is spending most of their time not coding, but in the review. So what can we do to improve the review for this team? It's the questions you have to ask ourselves. As you can see, the coding time here, not so much. And we also see another red flag here, as the deploy time for this team is increasing. It's taking longer and longer from when something gets done for the thing to hit production. So the other cool things that you can do here, for example, is look at your outliers and understand what happened to this guy versus this guy. And you can go back to the columns and we have, for example, another feature here, very cool, where I can see my cycle time by issue type for enhancement time. So I go back here and I can see my enhancement times, how long it's take, and what's the percent for the enhancement time. Now, because we see companies trying to optimize their cycle time, and I believe cycle time is the most important metric in software engineer. And we notice that most teams are spending most of their time in review and pickup time. To help teams do better at that, we also have a new report called OpenPR. The OpenPR will give you a green check mark every time that none of your PRs stay open more than 24 hours. Gives you the streak of how long you're able to do that and what's your current streak. You can also click here and you can see how things are going. Notice here that I have like all my squad selects and it's showing that this one squad docs is on a 37-day streak. So if I go and I look here at the docs, I can see that they are on their current streak of 37 days, which is their longest streak. So it's a very cool gamification. And you can see that this squad also doesn't have any PRs that they have to catch up. As if we go back here in all, I am also able to see that this team has 3 PRs that are open, and it's ordered by the oldest to the newest. As you can see, it is updated real time with auto refresh. And if I click here, I'm gonna go straight to my pull request so I can get the review. So those are the updates for DevStats for this month. Hope you like it, and I'll see you next month. Bye bye.